find the best angle where you cannot see my acne and my baggy eyes. Maybe I should hold it. Oh, I look like shit. No matter which way I turn. Okay. Hey guys, it's Monica. I am here today to be doing a super random thing. So I randomly decided like last week that I just want to make one of my dreams happen. I've always wanted to be a fashion designer. I've always wanted to like make my own clothes and have my own line, probably since I was in the 5th or 6th grade. When I was in the 5th grade, I spent all of my money on a subscription to Vogue, and ever since then I've been reading Vogue literally every month, you know, just getting inspired. I actually did go to fashion school and learn a little bit about designing. It's so annoying when someone pulls next to you when you're like in the middle of film. I feel so uncomfortable. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, I went to, I did like the first year out of like a 2-year certificate in a fashion design program. I absolutely hated the program for many reasons, but I did love making things, and I've always loved making things and being like DIY, like especially clothes. I used to have, I have like an Etsy page with a bunch of stuff that I've knitted. I love to knit. I love to like literally make anything. So I decided that I'm gonna do something random today. I decided that I'm gonna buy myself a sewing machine and I'm gonna make my dreams happen, and something super random. I'm gonna go buy an old ass wedding dress right now, and I'm gonna make it into a new wedding dress because I'm getting married, and I don't think I'll use it for my real wedding, but I think I will use it just for like some photos, just for like some engagement photos maybe. I really don't know what I'm gonna use it for. Honestly, I feel like I just need to be creative and let out some of my creativity, because as much fun as fashion blogging is, wearing someone else's clothes over and over isn't really, like, it's not really doing it for me. Like I love clothes that I buy in the store. I love shopping. I love putting looks together, but at the same time, like, I would love to showcase something that I made myself and someone's like, wow, that looks amazing. So we're about to go into this Value Village and I'm about to find some old wedding dress, and hopefully, okay, first of all, Value Village is usually super expensive. First of all, Value Village for some reason is usually super expensive. I'm looking to find a wedding dress for like $30-ish, between 30 and 40. I feel like I'm gonna have to end up buying fabric to make it like even more beautiful, so I don't want to spend too much on the dress itself if I'm just gonna end up like ripping it to shreds. So I'm hoping not to spend too much, so let's see what happens. I don't care what you want. I've been caught acting like a fool. Sink or can swim, lose or can win. I'm so alive, baby. Okay, so I bought a dress. It is, I don't know if it's technically a wedding dress. It looks very old. It has shoulder pads. It has like these awesome lace sleeves, but the entire thing is lace. So I'm gonna look for a second one because I don't want a whole lace dress. I wanted like tulle bottom, so now I'm gonna look for a tulle bottom. Literally, the wedding dress of my dreams was like lace sleeves and like a big princess skirt. So that's what I'm gonna make right now. And right now I'm going to look for a giant wedding dress with a big tulle skirt, and the one I bought so far was $15. So I have $20 to $30 left to spend. My math isn't right, but whatever. Here we go. Oh my god, I literally found exactly what I wanted. And I got to use my coupon, so I got it for $17. Yes, I am so excited right now. I am going to take these two bad boys home. I'm going to wash them and then we will hook back up. All right, so I currently have both pieces on together, and this top part, first dress that I got, just isn't really working for me. I mean, I only wanted to use the top part, but when I took it home, it looks like really peachy, and that's just not really the vibe I'm going for. So, I don't know, here, let's see, lift it up a little bit. Let's try to imagine what this bottom skirt. No, like it just doesn't work. Okay, so, all right, so here is the dress just by itself. Like, I literally feel like a princess. This is my first time trying on a wedding dress, and I don't know, I feel like such a princess. Okay, but anyways, let's get back to what is important here. Okay, that's kind of an ugly angle, whatever. So what I'm wanting to do is kind of make this into a sweetheart and then use this lace. Okay, no sleeves, first of all. No these like spaghetti straps, no like bra straps. And then a lace arm. Yes. Oh my god. A lace just barely on the shoulder with a sweetheart, a lace little popping up. Oh my god. This is literally what I wanted my wedding dress to look like. And like I'm literally about to cry, like holy moly. Okay, can we kind of envision this? Can we kind of envision how gorgeous this is gonna look? And if this whole lace goes around this whole, I'm like literally about to cry. The whole top part of this bodice. So I would have the lace, let me stand somewhere closer, there we go. If I have the lace sleeves, lace like barely on the shoulder like this. Dun, 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 and this whole part lace. Oh my god, yes. Okay, wow. To witness this moment, I'm honestly about to cry because like thinking about what it's gonna look like in my head after, this is honestly what I want to wear on my wedding day, and it's making me emotional. Okay. And then, okay, I would stop the lace at the bodice, or what, like, I don't know what these technical wedding words are, okay? I would stop the lace here, and then I think I would add it in a tiny bit. Okay, my plan is to have the whole top lace. At the bottom, the trim around the very bottom of the dress, I want to have half of this lace because you can kind of see that it's like, you can cut it down the middle. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh, yes, bitch. Yes. Guys, it's gonna be amazing. I'm honestly, I'm so happy I decided to do this. My hair looks disgusting. I haven't finished doing it yet. Do my own hair, was too lazy to finish doing it last night. I'm just giving you an explanation as to why it looks so orange and yucky. I'm gonna go fix that now and then finish doing this video. La 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 la. I feel like I need a montage in just this dress because, I mean, it's not bad for $17. Like, what? center is the center. What I do is kind of like match the center to the corner with like a little round and make it like a nice sweetheart neckline. What I think is the hardest part, which was making this into a sweetheart neckline. And I have my tool, and I'm just going to be adding that now to the bottom of the skirt. And then I'm pretty much done.
Too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. You so fucking precious when you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine.